Sir, what has this SIR issue done in Bihar?
First of all, Kartikeya, it has made life miserable for all Biharis. Right now, Bihar is facing a drought in North Bihar. There is hardly any rains. The temperature is so high, yet the rivers are flooded because the water is coming from Ganges, from UP and other places, Kosi and others. And the situation is so bad on the ground, and yet the EC expects every voter to produce all these certificates, which none of them have. And the situation is pathetic in the entire state. Right before that, Bihar had a caste survey. Then it started having an agricultural survey. Now this EC has begun a third. I mean, it's crazy. And let me point out that if you had gone to Bihar about, let's say, a month before, the opposition parties were hardly united. The Congress was singing a different tune. The RJD was singing a third tune. The left parties, they were talking about seat adjustments, but looked like they were not coming together. But suddenly the SIR has united the entire opposition in Bihar. Today you had Girdhari Yadav of JDU making a very important point. Take an American voter. An American voter sits in India and votes. Either he goes to the embassy or does a postal ballot. How can you remove the fundamental right to vote simply because the person is not at home within the 1 month that the EC is, conducting these surveys? So it's ridiculous. In today's world of globalization, all of us move all the time for jobs. There are people who move, for months around in the country. You can't take away
you're saying basically the life of the people has become miserable. I have to give the mic to Kuntal Krishna, spokesperson BJP. Two questions, sir. Has the life become miserable, as Ajit says? And the secondly, do you think that it unites an opposition which is not as strong now, which it was a couple of years ago, if we go by the Lok Sabha result of 2024? Mr. Krishna. Mr. Kuntal Krishna, the question is to you. I think my voice is not reaching him.
Kartikeya, with all...
Okay.
Kartikeya?
Yes. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Kartikeya, with all due regards to Ajit ji, despite all his exaggerated situation in Bihar, EC has completed 97% of the SIR related exercise. By the time we discuss, EC...
I think there's a bit of a line problem, Mr. Krishna. Let me just give the mic to Dolly Sharma, spokesperson, Congress Party. Your opening comments, madam.
I would like to say that Bihar is not witnessing electoral reform. It's witnessing electoral robbery, I must say. Because all of a sudden, the way they are removing people, not giving time to the citizens to present the documents that they have. In a bank, we provide Aadhaar card for KYC, and once the KYC is done, you are a legal bank holder. You can have a bank account in any Indian bank. So for a bank account, you need Aadhaar, but on the basis of Aadhaar, where you use thumb, without using a thumb, you cannot have an Aadhaar, or we cannot change anything in the Aadhaar. So I don't know why now, when the elections are around the corner, whether they want to remove the Dalit, Pichhda, Alpsankyak from the voter list so that they cannot vote. I don't know why, but I think BJP, it is a new election strategy of the Bharatiya Janata Party कि अगर वोट नहीं ले सकते तो वोटर ही हटा दो. I think this is what Bharatiya Janata Party is now on to. They are removing the voters जब वोट ही नहीं ले सकते. So this is not a democracy anymore. This is data-driven de-enfranchisement, I must say, wherein you are removing the voters just to win an election. You're not able to deliver to the people of Bihar now. And because you're not able to deliver, you know you'll not be able to win the election. You are doing this.
Okay. Is it correct to say, Mr. Krishna, are you there with me? Is my voice reaching you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I can hear.
The Congress spokesperson saying it's electoral robbery? Please respond to the chart.
Kartike, first of all, with all due regards to Ajit ji, with all his exaggerated situation in Bihar, by the time we are discussing this, EC has already completed 97% of the SIR exercise. Around 25 lakh forms could not come yet, and that data has been distributed to all DLOs, all BLOs. Around 80,000 political workers has been appointed by opposition, Congress and RJD as BLOs who are participating in this exercise. 80,000, 18,000 by Congress and around 60,000 by RJD, plus around 5,000 by left and other parties. So around 80,000 political workers from opposition who is making a hue and cry on this issue is already involved in it. EC could not only find around 1 lakh of voters whereabout. It is under question.